Okay, so I just want to be clear what we're saying here for Shahada, so that there's no confusion, so that everybody knows exactly what's being said. So I'm going to say in English, and Sister Rashida will translate into Tagalog, and I just want you to affirm by saying yes for right now. Do you believe that there is only one God, that only He is worth being worshipped? And do you believe that Muhammad is the messenger of God?
Kayo ba ay naniniwala na meron lamang nag-iisang Diyos at Siya lamang ang may karapatang sambahin natin at ang Propeta Muhammad ang kanyang nag-iisang sugo?
Yes. Okay. So in order to testify this, we say the Shahada. And the Shahada is in Arabic. That's why I ask you to confirm everything in English and Tagalog first. Okay?
Ngayon daw tayo ay magsasyahada at ang binabanggit o ang salitang gagamitin ay Arabic. Pero ipaliliwanag din namin sa inyo ang kahutusan.
Okay. So we start this. You raise your right hand and point towards heaven.
Taas nyo.
This symbolizes one God. And so repeat after me, please.
Kayo ay sumunod lang sa kanya mamaya.
Ashhadu La ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
MashaAllah.
Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
And anybody who would like these Quran are donated by the Saudi Embassy. They're in English. They're free. Take them. Okay? MashaAllah, you're Muslims. So this is wonderful. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum, my new brother. Salam.
Itong kasama. Yan ang Quran.
Sunnah is Assalamu alaikum.
English.
Every step be blessed.
Miss, meron ka na? Meron ka na, please? Meron? Sino pa? Sino pang ano? Ipag meron ka na ganito?
I want Tagalog straight. From Arabic to English, yes. I'm waiting for Tagalog. Inshallah, in a couple of months we'll have some from Tagalog. Sister Fatima has transliteration of Arabic, and she can make some photocopies for you, inshallah, that will teach you how to pray in Arabic perfectly. Thank you. It's a blessing for us to witness.
What are you looking at?
This is the way to lugar. Kaya, yun. Hindi naman pwedeng ako pumasok na mag-welcome.
Hindi lang kita pwedeng makamit.